Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is the knife review playlist. Now, some of these knives are worth a lot of money, and some of them are worth very little money, but it's still fun to look at and play with and go over and explore and just get an overall feel of what these are. The knife I have right here is the Ozark Trail Stag Finish Pocket Knife. Sold by Walmart for $4.97. So, let's open this thing. Well, I'm not going to open this one because I already have one open. I carried this in my pocket for a little while, a couple of weeks. Didn't use it very much, but it was still in my pocket. Here we go. Here's the packaging. Stag finish handle, stainless steel brass. Here we go. Turn it over. 2 stainless steel blades, 2.5 inch and 1.75 inch. 3.5 inch stag finish handle. Here's the warnings and the barcode right here. Walmart.com, 2019 Walmart. Let's see, I'm sure it's made in China. Where does it say that? Oh, right here. Made in China, right here. Anyway, it's not a bad looking knife, is it? They do come with the tip protectors. And this the one that's open, but the one that's inside does not have a protector. Anyway, have one open right here. This one will look. Here we go. The pins are flat against the scales on both sides. The scales do go all the way to the end of the bolsters on both sides. The back is smooth, mostly smooth, all the way across. Right here you can tell the difference, but it's not too bad. Here's the end of this one. And here's the end of this one, this end. Looks like these points are, this one is centered in its right place, and this one looks to be centered also. So that's a good thing. Let's go ahead and open up this blade right here. Here is the emblem right here, Ozark Mountain. You can see how it fits the hand right here. Not an uncomfortable grip, but not the best either. Nail clip right here. It has the moon shape instead of the line. It feels reasonably sharp, but I'm sure it could be a lot sharper. Look at the edge, the size of the edge, the grinding around this side compared to this side. It's pretty close to looking to be the same. Huh. You see it has a slight recurve right here. Just a very slight recurve right here. I'm trying to get that to come up in the camera. Not too bad. It does come all the way right here. There's not a big gap in it. Huh. Not bad at all. So let's go ahead and open up this side. Much shorter blade. This one does not feel as sharp as the other one. And the grind is close enough. I'm going to say that's close enough to being the same size grind. You can see it right here. This one does not have a big gap right here. Now the scales look like it might be separated just a little bit from the liner right here. Just slightly. Not a bad little knife. So let's see how sharp this thing is. This is the big blade. I'm going to be very careful and just keep that open. Kids, don't do this at home. What I'm doing like this, right now I'm just too lazy to close it. Do as I say, but not as I do, as the old saying goes. That is sharper than what I thought it'd be. Yeah. For a little $5 Walmart knife, it does come out of the package. Well, that didn't look too good, did it? There we go. Not too bad. Let's try this little one. I think this little one's a little bit duller than the bigger one. But it does cut. It definitely cuts. It has a slight little chip in it right there. Try this again. Yep, right there. I can feel it stopping. Be a good little knife for the young one in your life. Teach them how to open and close a knife properly. I wouldn't want to use this in a life-threatening instance, but keeping it in your pocket for small things, cutting strings and maybe opening envelopes, stuff like that. Keep one in your toolbox. Keep one in your glove box of your car or truck. Be a great little backup. Not too bad at all. Not bad for $5 from Walmart. So, next time you're in there, check one of these out. If you need to start a knife collection or just add to your knife collection, I don't think you can go wrong with this. My name is Carl, and I do appreciate you watching.